This is Ken Rockwell with KenRockwell.com and KenRockwell.tv. Let's see what I've gotten today from Adorama. Magnificent. I have been shopping at Adorama since the 1970s when I was a little kid and used to walk into New York City, and they always had what I wanted at the right price and in stock, regardless of how bizarre it may have been. Honestly, I have no idea what we're going to get here today. But as a customer for over 40 years, I have a sneaking suspicion it's what I ordered, but I never quite know till I get the box open. So let's see what I got here in glorious stereophonic sound. Oh, okay. We've got an invoice, I presume. Don't need that. I've got a Nikon Z7. This is a Z7 unboxing. How cool is that? This is the second Z7 I've gotten from my pals at Adorama. I love those guys. Okay, let's see. How am I going to get this out here? Oh, yes, indeed. There we go. Okay. One Nikon Z7. Now, let's see what we got in the box. Honestly, I don't know. This is all be doing live on television. What we get is what we get. If there's any surprises, you will see it live here. Okay, we've got a bunch of paperwork. Warranty programs, very important. The reason I buy from Adorama, it's legitimate USA warranties. You'll notice we have serial numbers and so forth, and it says NikonUSA.com for warranty coverage. Although it's printed in Japan, this is a legitimate USA warranty. Does it say, here we go, Nikon camera accessory, 1 year USA limited warranty. If you buy from somebody else, and especially if you buy it at a retail store, you'll notice there's no seals on this box, no seals whatsoever. If you buy at a retail store, don't do that. I haven't bought retail since the 1970s. The guys loan it out to their friends, take it out on weekends and shoot their personal projects with it, and you're getting a used camera. And golly knows if it's even a USA. Oh, look at that. It's even the same instruction book, Z6, Z7. It's in English, and they also usually include one. Is it going to be French or Spanish? Let's see. Actually, I never open these boxes for the most part. I just keep these things all sealed up. Okay, ES, Espanol. So it's a Latin American version. I love it. Well, they're looking from the U.S. South, not the U.S. North, to our friends in the great white north of Canada. Okay, take our paperwork out. Most important thing is getting that warranty card. Oh, by the way, if you check your numbers, this number here had better match the number on your camera, which it always does. It also should match the number on their box. You notice there should be the same serial number. You'll notice it says BK for black and US for the United States model. So make sure these numbers match what's on your camera. If they don't match, it means someone's been fiddling around with your box if you bought it from a crummy dealer. What do we have here? We have paper. This is all folded cardboard. Here is our brand new camera, totally unsealed. If you don't buy it from a good dealer, you have no idea if you're getting somebody else's hand off. Okay, our camera body cap. Notice they've got Nikon nice and square there. Okay, no mysteries. I mean, you can see the review at KenRockwell.com. Okay, we've got strap lugs. Okay, they're not doing a protector on the screen. Battery's not in there. The battery is separate. Let's see what else we get. This must sound great and glorious. Enveloping, full, stereophonic, high-fidelity sound. Recorded here in my soundproof studio. And here's all the other goodies, which I usually don't even use. A strap, I never use the strap. I use the straps I recommend. I use the Tamarack N25, which is probably obsolete, or sometimes I like a strap if I'm going very lightweight. Here's the USB-C cable. They never open these. I always leave these. I don't know about you, but I've been doing photography for over 50 years. Since I'm always going to resell my cameras at some future point, I never actually open all the fluff unless I need it. Here's a charger. These are crummy chargers. They charge well, and the battery slaps right in here, but the problem is there's no plug that folds over. You've got to go either get a cord or they include, and I'll show you, a cockamamie plug, which is always almost guaranteed to break if you try to throw it in your luggage. What is this? This is a strain relief. If you're shooting tethered, which I don't recommend because you'll pull the camera off the tripod and break everything, you screw this into your camera, then this helps keep the cables you plugged into your camera so that when someone trips over the cable in your studio and knocks over the camera will get destroyed just the same, but you at least won't break off the connectors inside the camera. Here's your battery, shipped in this little bag. This is a very standard battery from Nikon, the ENEL15B Bravo. It's got a little cover here so it won't short circuit if you throw these in your pocket as spares, which I usually do. That's a good point. I always keep my spare batteries with their little prophylactic covers on them so that keys or whatever in my pocket don't set my pants on fire. Liar, liar. Okay, what have we got here? Here is an AC adapter, which I've never used. Oh, this is also a fast charger. It's a USB-C adapter. It goes from, God bless them. At least this one has a folding plug. So you can throw this in your bag. And this is what I'd bring, actually, not that other thing. Notice it's universal. It works on all voltages worldwide, as long as you have an adapter to plug it in the wall. And it puts out 5 volts at 3 amperes, 15 watts. So this will fast charge your battery inside the camera. The advantage of getting 2 of these chargers, I think that's really the only difference between this and the Z6 is they don't include the separate charger that I was whining about, the screwy plugs. The advantage of getting this charger along with that charging adapter is when you have a spare battery with you, which is a good idea with these Z cameras because they do suck through batteries, is that when you get home at the end of the night, you can plug in the charger into the camera and charge one battery and charge your spare battery in the spare charger. And here's that plug I was groaning about. And here's the reason why. You got to bring all this stuff in your bag. If you forget it, you can't charge. This is a standard figure of 8 type plug. Goes in like that, but give me a break. How do you unlatch it here? You got to push this to be able to swivel that, to plug it in your wall. Do you really want to put something in your bag this way? No, because you're going to break it off. So what you probably will do is take this plug off, and then you'll lose it, and then you'll be stuck out in the woods. So honestly, I don't even use these chargers. Today, I just charged my Z7 from whatever USB-C cord that I've got handy, and don't even bring that charger. And that, in a nutshell, is the official unboxing of a Nikon Z7, which I got from my friends at Adorama in New York City. You can find the links to this review, as well as Adorama and every place else, not only in this video's description, but in the full review at kenrockwell.com. And that's it. Thanks for watching Ken Rockwell, kenrockwell.com, and kenrockwell.tv.